box. Downtown free. Free of union with disease. Ah, are you a harbinger? Or a hard herald? Screaming, I know that I'm a permanent. Schoolgate Philly, I got faith. Great time to be crazy today. It's 2024, you know, you're a horse.
I didn't dream it much. I saw it in my other day arrangement. No. The bass is estrangement, and the dream is chaos. You wake up with access to the space. And throughout the day, the sweat erases.
Cordial! Hold your breath now! Make it mean something you didn't think it meant before, and now it's addressing you. Directly. Phrase it without its own emplacements. Let it be the sky dreaming and weeping and scheming against you, thinking, hey, today it's gonna be a good day, right? It's gonna be a good day, right? Oh no, it fucked up! Baby, you gotta be my friend today. You know you gotta be my technological object, the object I know I gotta get around it. I gotta get it out of this town. It's gotta just be something else. I thought it was something else. There's a little bit of whiskey left. Just a drink, just a dream, just a scheme, oh no. Oh, it's fucked. That's the ukulele. I got my own space. I'm a snail, you know I go slow. I can't escape it. But you can always start over, you know, tabula rasa, get a little address the best you could. But then, is there ever a point? The sick man is the sixth man. Here he is, the third, the fourth, the fifth. Somewhere this is gonna make a stitch in time. That's Madeline Langle. I forgot the angle that these chords are supposed to go. I know I'm supposed to arrange it in such a way that I should have placed my own brain in some kind of system, some kind of schema. Oh no! Oh, well, talk amongst yourselves. You know, I can easily get my own ideas straight. I can easily just, I don't know. Today I saw some Goya etchings, and there were demons addressing the human profusion of war, slipping down on the main mind of man. And now it's a dream. That was the Napoleonic Wars back then. Now it's something more like World War IV. You know, World War III was something that was between the U.S. and Russia, and now we got some other type of addressing our own impairments. Some scheme that you can dream with.
Some scheme that you can dream with. There you go. Hairs on my chest, on my chin, on my breast. I got that gynecomastia, man boobs, moobs. I'm in the mood. This shirt is mood. It's actually my friends. They're a free jazz band. They're really sick. You should check them out. I like free jazz. I like freedom. I like the possibility of falling apart and just existing and thinking outside the bun. You know, I live Moss because Taco Bell got that Mountain Dew dream. The dewdrops are like Tezata, thinking about your homeland, thinking about the things that you lost. You know, wherever you come from, there was dew on the blades of grass in the morning when you woke up. And you can remember that space, you can remember that time. But here we are now in a place where Tullamore Dew might be on tap. Is that an Irish brew? Anyone know Tullamore? No, I never heard that before. Well, you know, like I think about what life was like before electricity. It's probably an interesting time. You know, reproduction, mechanical reproduction changed the way we relate to art. And that's what Walter Benjamin was talking about. Because as soon as art could be replicated and like mass produced and printed and taken around to everybody, it lost its aura, the meaning of the original thing. So art used to be valued for its aura. Hello, welcome to more. It is a jam night later on. Today we're just dreaming. You know, yeah, I had some other ideas, but they seem to be like in another place. But sometimes you hear a little rumble, and from that you can kind of grumble, and bramble, scramble, try to make your whole life something a little more meaningful than it was before, just by kind of reconstructing some meaning out of an earlier concept. But really, you know. To the meaning when it's here. It might be gone next year. Buy a beer, tip your bar tenderly. I know it's a sour note, but I go for the sours myself. I'm not no motherfucking up on the shelf, I won't watch you. I won't stare you down. I'm no fucking clown. I am the fucking bore. This ain't audio. It's only 7 p.m. inside Pasadena. Your dream is just something silly you thought you could mean more than a word could speak. But the is just a chasm in your mask. Recursive loops, scoop it up, dream it up till you drew upon a map of the unknown. A clone, a clown, a Down syndrome pony. And dog show! Pavlovian ostracism, and I thought it was something more free than that! Freedom was a handle we had, just a name, not an arrangement of social structures. And who are we but our own ideas of freedom, dreams are resisting. The content of the monster is mammon, an animal feeling. God is in eyes and not in the seasons. What hubris! What hubris I still listen to and not a commercial. Here for my free beer. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry, guys.
Well, you can get up here and do that. Sure, that's what love. You can get up there and do that.
How does it go?
Check 1, check 2. You guys make some noise for Andrew. That was extremely creative, man. Just imagine if you plugged in all those cables. How many lights would go out? It is different every time. I'd like to welcome you all. Oh, let me get some music on.
That's why I said that look good.
Hey, hey, hey. Can we do a mic check?
I was in the reading. I was stuck on the phone.
It's karaoke time?
Maybe.
That's what we doing? You ready for our song, Deshaun? Partner, no partner. It's not on.
Check.